Hello students, in this video we are going to solve fourth root of 337 minus x and divide by 7 minus fourth root of x. This is equals to 1. Here we will find out the value of x and x belongs to real number. Now first, this denominator is multiplied by 1. Then in left hand side, fourth root of 337 minus x, this is equals to 7 minus fourth root of x. Now if we add both side plus fourth root of x and here plus fourth root of x, then in left hand side fourth root of 337 minus x plus fourth root of x, and this is equals to here minus fourth root of x and this is plus fourth root of x, then this is cancel out and here 7. Now we will apply substitution method. If we substitute this fourth root of 337 minus x is a and fourth root of x is b, then here a is equals to fourth root of 337 minus x and b is equals to fourth root of x. If we take both side power 4, then in left hand side a power 4 and this is equals to fourth root of 337 minus x bracket whole power 4, and here if we take power 4 both side, then b power 4, this is equals to fourth root of x bracket power 4. Then here in left hand side a power 4, this is equals to fourth root is cancelled out by this power 4, then here 337 minus x, and here b power 4, this is equals to fourth root is cancelled out by this 4, then here x. Let us consider this is equation number first and this is equation number second. If we add equation number first and equation number second, then in left hand side a power 4 plus b power 4, and this is equals to 337 minus x plus x. Then this minus x and this plus x is cancelled out, then a power 4 plus b power 4, this is equals to 337, and this expression is a and this expression is b, then a plus b is equals to 7. We have two equations and two variables. By using these equations, we will find out the value of a and b. Here a plus b is equals to 7, and look carefully, here we have a power 4 plus b power 4. So if we take both side power 4, then in left hand side we will apply a plus b whole power 4, that is a power 4 plus 4 times a power 3 b plus 6 times a square b square plus 4 times a b power 3 plus b power 4, this is equals to 7 power 4, that is 2401. Here a power 4 plus b power 4, and we know that a power 4 plus b power 4 is 337. So this a power 4 plus b power 4 is replaced by 337, and look carefully these two terms, here 4 times a power 3b plus 4 times a b power 3 plus 6 times a square b square, this is equals to 2401. 337 plus, look carefully these two terms, here if we take common 4ab, then a square plus b square, and here 6 times a square b square is same as a times b whole square, this is equals to 2401. Look carefully, here we have a square plus b square, and we know that a plus b, this is equals to 7. If we take square both side, then in left hand side a plus b whole square, this is equals to 7 square, and we know that the algebraic identity of a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2 times ab, this is equals to 7 square is 49. Then value of a square plus b square is 49 minus 2 times AB. Now here 337 plus 4 times AB, and this A square plus B square is replaced by 49 minus 2AB. 49 minus 2AB and plus 6 times AB square, and this is equals to 2401. Now look carefully here, A times B, A times B and A times B. So again we apply substitution. If we substitute A times B, this is equals to T. Then 337 plus 4 times T, 4 times T multiplied by 49 minus 2 times T, 49 minus 2 times T plus 6 times T square, plus 6 times T square, and this is equals to 2401. 337 plus 4 times T is multiplied by 49, then we get 196 times T. 4 times T is multiplied by minus 2 times T, then we get minus 8 times T square, and here plus 6 times T square, this is equals to 2401. Now 337 plus 196 times T minus 8 times T square plus 6 times T square, that is minus 2 times T square, and this is equals to 2401. If we take all the expression in same side, then 2 times T square minus 196 times T minus 337 plus 2401, and this is equals to 0. Here 2 times T square minus 196 times T minus 337 plus 2401, then we get plus 2064, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully in left hand side, if we divide both sides 2, then here 2, 2 and here 2 and here 2, then this 2 and this 2 is cancelled out, then here T square minus 196 is divided by 2, then we get 98, here 98 times T plus 2064 divided by 2, then we get 1032, then here 1032, and this is equals to 0 divided by 2, then we get 0. We have quadratic equation T square minus 98 times T plus 1032, and this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation in terms of T. By using middle term split, we will find out the value of T. T square minus 98 times T is same as minus 86 times T minus 12 times T plus 1032, and this is equals to 0. Here look carefully these two terms, if we take common T, then here T minus 86, and here if we take common minus 12, then we get T minus 86, and this is equals to 0. T minus 86 is common, T minus 86 is common, then here T minus 12, and this is equals to 0. We know that if A into B, this is equals to 0, this implies A is equals to 0 or B is equals to 0. By using this rule, T minus 86, this is equals to 0, T minus 12, this is equals to 0. Here value of T is 86 and here value of T is 12. Now we have two values of T. First value of T is 86 and second value of T is 12, and we know that T is A times B, then A times B, this is equals to 86, and here A times B, this is equals to 12, and we know that A plus B is equals to 7, then A plus B is equals to 7, and here A plus B is equals to 7. Here again two equations and two variables, and here again two equations and two variables. Let us consider this is case first and this is case second. So first we will solve this case first. Here B is equals to 7 minus A, and this B is replaced by 7 minus A, then A times B is replaced by 7 minus A, and this is equals to 86, then 7 times A, this A is multiplied by minus A, then we get minus A square, and this is equals to 86. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then a square minus 7 times a plus 86 and this is equals to 0. First we will check discriminant of this quadratic equation because we will talk about only real solutions. Here d is equals to b square minus 4ac, then d is equals to minus 7 square minus 4a that is 1 and c that is 86. Now d is equals to 49 minus 4 is multiplied by 86, then we get 344. This is less than 0. It means here no real solutions exist. Now we solve case second. Case second is a times b this is equals to 12 and a plus b this is equals to 7. This implies b is equals to 7 minus a, and here this b is replaced by 7 minus a, then a times and b is replaced by 7 minus a, this is equals to 12, then a is multiplied by 7, then we get 7 times a, and this is multiplied by minus a, then we get minus a square, and this is equals to 12. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then a square minus 7 times a plus 12 this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation a square minus 7 times a plus 12 this is equals to 0. We will apply middle term split and then find out the value of a. Then a square minus 7 times a is same as minus 4 times a minus 3 times a plus 12 and this is equals to 0. Look carefully these two terms. If we take common a, then a minus 4, and here if we take common minus 3, then a minus 4 and this is equals to 0. If we take a minus 4 is common, then a minus 3 and this is equals to 0. Here we can say a minus 4 this is equals to 0 or a minus 3 this is equals to 0. Then here value of a is 4 and here value of a is 3. Now we have two values of a is equals to 4 and a is equals to 3. A plus b is equals to 7. A plus b is equals to 7 and here a plus b is equals to 7. If value of a is 4 then value of b is 3, and here if value of a is 3 then value of b is 4, and we know that b is 4th root of x. B is 4th root of x, then b is replaced by 4th root of x, this is equals to 3, and here b is replaced by 4th root of x and this is equals to 4. If we take both side power 4, because here we will find out the value of x, and here if we take power 4 both side, then this 4 and this 4th root is cancelled out, then x is equals to 3 power 4 that is 81, and here this 4 is cancelled out by this 4th root, then x is equals to 256. Here we have only two possible values of x, that is 81 and 256. Students, this is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.